Hello. In this tutorial, we'll discuss how we can connect our reference files with our architecture. This is quite a typical story, so yeah, like check this tutorial definitely, because the reason why you're doing this, you'll be able, you can adapt this knowledge to any of your projects. It's quite common. And let's start. I'll copy paste this prompt. So generally it's my old tree and I'll build a new node tree with you. So I'm selecting my node, selecting my prompt here. I'm clicking Ctrl+C, that's ready. And let's do it here. So I'll remove it and start from 0. So right click, load the image and select your reference image. Here I have it. It's loading. Yeah, and let's work here. So we'll try a few options. The first option will be I'll try to use this information on this image, and then we will replace the information. Yeah, like we will try to use this image as the main one, but you will see the results soon, so no worries. So I'm selecting my architecture, left click of the mouse. I have my node. Of course, I will use NanoBanana, image editor, 2K, aspect ratio original, and I'm simply connecting those images. Remember that if you're using different ratio images, as I'm doing this right now, this can affect your results. So time to time, like I think 5–10% of results can be different, as we mentioned before in the past tutorials about the problems of AI. But no worries, it's like only a few percent, 10–20%. I don't know exactly how it will be in this case, but like we're only learning, so no worries. But keep in mind that time to time you'll have some problems with that. That's okay. As I mentioned, AI is growing, AI is evolutioning, and everything will be fine in the next, I think, few months, few years. So no worries. So selecting source, connecting my second image, and let's paste the information. Using the second image as a reference, replace surrounding of this first image with a modern residential neighborhood, single family, add a neighborhood houses on both sides, local residential street, greenery. Keep the camera angle, framing, building, lighting of the first image completely unchanged. Match the scale perspective and daylight conditions so new environment blends naturally. And I'm clicking make. Quite long prompt. I'm also recommending you to use those prompts from AI. Generally, we are using I'm personally using DeepSeek. I'm also using ChatGPT. So like I'm just trying to explain AI what I'm doing, why I'm doing this, and on what engine I'm using. And yeah, that's a good idea and it's a good point. We'll also do a tutorial about that. So let's use our more simple prompt, selecting left click of the mouse, source, moving my node here, connecting my information reference, and using Ctrl+V, replace the trees, grass of the first photo with the residential area from the second photo. It's the most basic one you will use, and you will see the results in a few seconds. And while we are waiting, let's try to replace the situation, and let's see, can we change those buildings to the building from this side. All you need just to select this node instead of this. Yeah, like I'm selecting this as a primary and this the secondary, and just connecting them. And let's play with the same prompt. So I'll replace the houses of the first photo with the residential with the house. Like let's use a simple language, it will be sometimes easier for AI. House from the second photo, and let's see how it will go. So generally now I want to use this image as a main image and just to replace my building and those buildings. So yeah, I hope to see now the street full of those buildings, and let's see, will it understand me? And now let's check the results. Results are very good. Like it's understanding very good. You can compare the image, compare A to compare B. It used the same walk side, yeah. Very similar, exactly the same structure of the asphalt. We have even the similar colors. So like it's very advanced level. Yeah, I think it's even the same, exactly, maybe not exactly, but very similar car. So yeah, the level of details are very high. Like it's extremely good. It's an extremely high result in a few seconds. So clicking enlarge to see how it's going. Okay, now let's check the result, and I don't see any changes. So yeah, it's a bad test. Yeah, no changes at all. So I'll work on this prompt and we will discuss it later. And let's play with this prompt. Add a single family house from the second photo to the sides of the building in the first photo. It's also quite typical when we want to do this, you know, and to see the result, to see the environment around our future building. So I'm selecting my source image, I'm selecting this node, connecting it, and pasting my simple prompt. Add single family houses from the second photo to the side of the building from the first photo. NanoBanana Pro 2K original, and I'm hitting make. Maybe I'll even use a few tests. So I am definitely be glad to see what AI ideas will we get from that. Generally, I will do the same when I'll try to replace those buildings with this building. Maybe I'll try another words. Sometimes AI really needs tests from your side, like words like, you know, change. Maybe you can use word replace, or maybe you can sometimes use more difficult prompt like remove buildings from the second image and put the buildings from the first image, yeah, like at the same place. So the idea of prompting is quite advanced, and I generally generally recommend you, and I'll show you more about AI chats like ChatGPT or DeepSeek, how we can use them to understand better AI and get better results. So what do we have here? Bad result. I am not so happy with that. That's not what I was expecting. Single family houses, second photo of the building. Okay. No, it's behind, it's not the side. The same stuff here. And this is a surprising mix. So this is like, I like it. I really like it. It's quite interesting idea of the render, of the future render. But the results are not satisfying me. So I'll move it here as problems. And let's try it again. So generally, maybe I can also try different resolution. Remember that it's also common. I'm selecting source, selecting my node, connecting it, and I'll hit the same. Add single family house from the second photo to the sides of the building. We can prompt to the left and right sides of the photo. Okay, please also remember that you can use any language for the prompt. Like generally English is not my native, so like feel free to use any language you wish. Like AI is good enough in different languages, so everything is okay. So yeah, we have connected the same original. Maybe we'll try 4K, for example, and let's see how it will work. And let's use our last prompt. It will be replace the background of this photo with the background houses from the second shot. And let's see the result. It's not a good result, but let's try it. Let's play with that. So the same, left click on the source, moving it here, connecting my second source, and pasting my prompt. And let's check. Replace the background of the first photo, okay, with the background of the houses from the second shot. I generally don't think that it's a good prompt, but generally I will try it, and let's see the results. And it will be the end of our medium level of advantage, how we can replace and change our environment. So I think now we know a little bit more about that. Those results are bad, like I don't like it. Like here we had no changes at all. Here we had quite strange changes. We completely have random buildings here, and this one was okay. I even will remove it from problematic section, because this was an unexpected result, but it was good for me. Okay, this one is strange a little bit. Add single family house from the second photo to the left and right sides of the building from the first photo. Generally it's done, but I don't know if I'm happy with the results, so I can compare the images to understand what have we received. Like I have a strange feelings, like to be fair, I don't think that it's exactly what I want, but a 4K image gave us more context. Like it gave AI more ideas. So like now it's generally the stuff we prompt, yeah, like we have second image buildings on the left and on the right side, but I'm not happy with that. Like to be fair, it's like strange perspective, as you see, just strange connections, but you can definitely see that now this prompt is working better because we used more resolution. Yeah, you see on this right side, at the right top of this image, that we have almost 4K image. And let's check the last image. That's also not worked. It's a mix of first and the second image, just we have now more details. We have a new background. So like partially it's okay, it's answering our question, but not exactly as I was expecting. So yeah, see you in the next tutorial, and we will definitely try to figure out how to make better connections, and see you soon. Bye.